Hello guys, you know I have ghosts and today you will see my ghost. But you know I have ghosts and oh no, the ghost babies are going to run away. But you on my another video you see there eggs, not goose baby, and today you will see goose baby. See, there is a white one. It's white from bottom, see, and black from top. There's another one. It's yellow from bottom and black from top. See? And this one is yellow from top and also yellow from bottom. So you want to count how many are these? Oh no, some are going to run away. Okay, so now we are going to count. 1, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There was 19 ghosts. And see, these babies are really small. See? And you see, they have a mother. The mother is very big from the babies, and some are, some are white from bottom and black from top, and some are yellow from bottom and black from top, and some is yellow from top and yellow from bottom. So this one don't have. See, it is yellow from top and white from bottom. See? And see, they are very cute. See, they have legs and mouth and eyes.
Color होते tanim color. Black and white color.
And see, there has a bowl from eating. They eat on this bowl. And you see, those are very small. See, those are this size. And the mother is this size. So, see, it is very beautiful. I hope it's gonna be white when it will grow up. It's gonna be white. It's gonna be black and white. See? See, it is very beautiful. See, it is very beautiful and very nice. And they're all gonna be black and white, but all the yellow ones, it's gonna be white. So this is end of this video.